you see him? Yeah? Where's the tree? Can he crawl up any higher? Do you see him? Yeah. I know. Yeah. Pretty tree. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. You crawling? I know. I know. Nancy saw him too. Yeah. And there's dogs over there. Trees, dogs. That's it. You're staying. Grandma have to just come get you if she wants you. Right? Yeah. Yeah. I think you're going to be a California boy. You're going to be a California boy? Yeah. Okay, I'll be quiet. Look, there's a tree. Look, there's trees. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Trees are out there. Yeah. Wow. You see them? Hmm? And there's a chair. Yeah. Where's the trees? Huh? Where are they?
Noby.
Where are they? Huh?
No knows.
Huh?
What?
What you see?
What? Look at you, handsome guy. Look who's so handsome. Noah.
Hi.
You see those trees?
Say, I know I'm a cutie.
Noah. Noby. Noah.
Mama?
What?
You see Mama?
What's that face for? Where's Noah? Where's Noah? Peekaboo!
Just let me go. Yeah.
Where's Noah? Peekaboo! Where's Noah?
Mama's like a comedian.
Peekaboo! I want him to like spit and then suck it up because he can do that. Did you see him do that? It's so gross. Do it on video, buddy.
He was laying on the rug, or the little blue thing on the floor in there, and I was just standing there, and he was playing with this little doll, and it started going down, and he started
He does that. Typical boy. Noah knows.
Where's Mama?
Where'd Noah go?
Where's your Mama?
There he is! Hi! Hi, handsome!
You say hi to Mama?
Where are the trees? Oh, what are you gonna get?
Just trying to figure out how they cut the wood on these chairs.
How can I get that tree into that chair?
Yeah. We have fascinating chairs, don't we? Yeah, I know.
Oh, big cup.
That's so terrible.
Didn't Dad make these chairs?
Noah! Noah!
Yeah. You gonna growl at me like a bear?
Look at this little piggy.
Hey,
Piggies.
hey you.
You gonna suck up your spit?
I'm thinking about biting that chair.
Noah, look.
Look at my Mama.
Now that you said it, it does look fun to buy.
Hi! Hi! How's my handsome guy? Where's Noby? Peekaboo! Hi! Noah!
Hang over this chair.
Oh,
Noah! Is that what AJ says? What?
See the Mama? That's your Mama.
Hello, Noby. What? Hello. I love you. Where's Noah? There he is! Yeah, right there. Hi.
pushing, trying to get up to it.
You tried to get your mama. Hi, you want your mama. You want your mama. Ah, you reached for me. Did you reach for me? We're going to play that back so Miss Nancy can see. Yes, you're reaching for your mother. Yes, you are. You going to give me? Going to give mama? Yes, you are. Hello. What? Oh. Stroll.
It sounded like a cry at first, and then it changed into excitement again.
Where's Noah? Oh, do you want me up now? Where's Noah? You're pulling her hair and everything.